Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. I will present the final year project 1 semester 2 session 2020 and 2021. So my name is Ahmad Daniel bin Muhammad Fauzi and my metric number is CE180085. My supervisor's name is Dr. Nordiana Azlin binti Othman. So my project title is High Voltage Electrification System using Plasma Physics. We go through to the contents. First, we have introduction, literature review, methodology, preliminary results, and lastly, conclusion. So for introduction, in this era, high voltage HV for electrification systems is the main type of electrical energy used in the metropolitan area. This study proposes the idea to get an efficient environmental electrical energy system by using plasma physics energy source, a high level of service which includes the terms of the capacity consumers used, the performance of the electrical appliances, and the quality of the electrification system itself cannot be achieved. For the background study, plasma is a substance that is matter state. It was first discovered in 1920s by Irving Langmuir. It consists of gas of molecules with an extra electron attached to the electron strip. It generates when the neutral gas is heating and produce a strong magnetic field. An extra electron, which also known as free charge particles, is present to make plasma electrically conductive. A flyback transformer is proposed to generate the HV supply for the electrification system. The presence of a flyback transformer acts as a buck-boost converter to form a HV power supply. So next, a problem statement is stated that it will disaster for land cause a serious issue to the land which is a flood to the nearby towns. Then disaster for marine interrupt fishes from breeding grounds which cause the low pollution of fishes. High cost to develop a dam, the cost of building a dam which is cost similarly with fossil plants. The objective of this project is to design the circuit to get maximum output voltage, which is 15 kilovolt, and next to produce electrical energy by using the plasma physics concepts. Next, for this project scope, it will using Proteus software simulation to design an electrical circuit with 15 kilovolt maximum output voltage. Next, we're using flyback transformer to achieve the study of the plasma physics concept. So in this study, we have our literature review. The principle of plasma physics is described in this chapter as it is strategy that will be used throughout this project in the prediction of the flyback transformer. Moreover, some prior study is also gathered in this chapter, and case studies related to the prediction of flyback transformer by using plasma physics concept to generate high voltage HV. For first, plasma physics concept. Plasma physics concept is usually described as the fourth state of matter, juxtaposed with gases, liquids, and solids. This definition can hardly explain their main physical properties. Plasma can exhibit the behavior characteristics of all the three more familiar states, depending on the density and temperature. So we need to look for salient characteristic, the concept view of plasma model, and the hierarchical structure of plasma behavior that this project will cover. This is our hierarchical structure. We have plasma phenomena, and next until it reach moment of Boltzmann equation, which have two, single fluid and multiple fluid. For the next literature review, we have flyback transformer. Flyback transformer topology is generally used to generate a multi-input isolated output power supply. The isolated power supply provides better accuracy and safety for other circuit components. Flyback converters require very limited external components such as magnetic components at the input and rectifier at the output. So next, the characteristics of plasma, we have pulsed corona, pulse arc, and pulse spark. These are the characteristics that shown in the screen. Next, we go through the methodology. We have 4 stages with the 4 stages for the process of the project, which stage 1 is project planning, stage 2 project modeling, stage 3 testing and troubleshooting, and stage 4 results and documentation. So this is the flowchart of the overall project from the start, which the stage 1 and stage 2 the data collection from website, which the literature review. Next, stage 3 the methodology. We have to decide the parameter of all the electrical and electronic parts that used, and the lastly collecting data until the end of the project. So next, we look at stage 1 project planning. The startup procedure begins at the commencement of the project. The project concept was debated and expanded upon during this process. The project is a study about the effectiveness of plasma physics concept by using flyback transformer to produce HV electrification system. By using flyback transformer, it acts as a buck boost converter which converts from direct current to alternating current voltage. Stage 2, this project will produce to stage 2, which the stage starts with the modeling. In this stage, the information from the research will be gathered to perform the modeling. The information that gathered are input and output data, the electric and electronic parts, as well as the formula to implement, also addressed to this stage. In stage 3, this stage is where focuses to achieve the objectives. The flyback transformer is performed to determine the output voltage. So next, stage 4, results and documentation. At this step, document may be drafted, formatted, submitted, and updated. Documentation may be done at any stage in the process. So even after the project is complete, the structure of the project process can continuously coordinate and monitor project-related action based on the project milestone. So we go through the preliminary result. In this chapter, it will review some preliminary result for this project, which consists of demonstrated the block diagram and circuit diagram. In block diagram, the illustrated the block diagram of system consists of 5 main parts, which is AC main 220 until 240 VAC until flyback transformer, which output high voltage that we'll use for circuit development. Circuit diagram by using Proteus 8 professional simulation, providing the circuit development process that been discussed before. The function of this circuit is to troubleshoot the system before hardware development in the future. So in conclusion, for this PSM1, we are able to design the circuit to get maximum output voltage, which is a 15 kilovolt for widely used, and replace the hydroelectric power supply. And next, able to produce the electrical energy by using the plasma physics concept. So for future plan, during PSM2, a perfect design of the circuit will be built and will achieve the objectives that stated from PSM1. That's all from me. Thank you.